In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find good Memecoins Pumpfun. If you're using Pump.fun to look for meme coins, the goal is not just to find something new, but to find something that already shows signs of real activity and lower risk compared to the thousands of random tokens that appear every day. A simple way to start is by opening Pump.fun and then checking token data on platforms like Dex Screener, where you can quickly review market cap, trading volume, and other useful signals. When you begin filtering, focus first on market cap. A practical baseline is to look for coins with a market cap above $70,000. This helps you avoid extremely early tokens that may have no traction at all and can disappear just as quickly as they appear. While a higher market cap does not guarantee quality, it can suggest that the coin has already attracted some attention and buying interest. Next, check the 5-minute trading volume. You want to look for at least $10,000 in volume over that short time frame. This is important because volume tells you whether people are actively trading the token right now. A coin can look interesting on the surface, but if there is very little recent volume, it may be difficult to enter or exit a trade smoothly. Strong short-term activity can be a sign that momentum is building. Another key filter is the creator's share of the supply. Only consider buying if the creator owns less than 5% of the total supply. This matters because large creator holdings can increase the risk of sudden selling pressure. If one wallet controls too much of the token, that person can have an outsized impact on price, and that creates an extra layer of danger for everyone else. Finally, take a moment to check whether the coin has an active social media community. This step helps you understand whether there is actual interest behind the project or whether it is just a chart with temporary hype. Look for signs of real engagement, consistent posting, and a community that appears active rather than completely silent. So the process is simple. Go to Pump.fun, use a tool like Dex Screener, filter for coins above a $70,000 market cap, make sure 5-minute volume is at least $10,000, confirm the creator holds less than 5% of supply, and then verify that the project has active social channels. Following these checks can help you narrow down the huge number of meme coins and focus only on the ones showing stronger signals.